Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today I'm going to start the next part of the chapter, which is transporting plants. As you know, we are actually cover the 5090 biology O level syllabi, and in today's video, I will explain you transpiration and what are the transpiration factors. So first of all, dear students, come to the main topic that what is the transpiration. As you know very well, that in my previous lesson, I told you that in the plants, there are two main pipes. One is a pipe for water and minerals. It moves the water from roots to the aerial parts, the upper parts of the plant. And the name of that pipe is xylem. Xylem tissues. In my last video, it's really clear and I explain each and everything about the xylem. The xylem tissues are the dead and hollow and they have open ends. The second pipe is the phloem. It transport the food prepared by photosynthesis in the leaves to the all other parts of the plant. But what is this transpiration? Transpiration is the process which occur in all the plants, and it is very, very, very efficient and very essential for the life or the survival of the plant. Why? Because in transpiration there is a loss of water from the stomata of the leaf and from the lenticels. Stomata, as you know very well, the stomata, as I mentioned here in the diagram, I show that these are the pores in the lower epidermis of the leaves. Water loss from these pores by diffusion in the form of water vapors. This phenomena is called transpiration. And what are the lenticels? Lenticels are the gaps in the stem from where water evaporate. So overall, when water evaporate by diffusion, it is really important. So students, as you see there, that from the root here, as you see root hairs, in my previous lesson I told you that from the root hair how the water move and enter in the root hair cells by osmosis and travel from one cell to another cell, and from the root xylem, as you see here, from high water potential to low water potential it moves. But the important thing is this: what happened in these xylem tubes. So if I draw a vessel cell of a xylem here, and you all are aware of this thing, that these xylem these xylem vessel cells, they are hollow and dead from inside. So what happened, that the water, the water make lower meniscus. Why? Because of two forces. The name of the force is cohesive force, cohesion, and adhesive force, adhesion. Addition force or cohesive force, what is it means? Cohesive forces are forces of attraction between the same type of molecules, like between water and water. As hydrogen bond between water and water, it is cohesive force. Because of this cohesive force, all the water molecules are linked together with each other. And adhesive force is the force of attraction between the two different molecules, like water and the walls of the vessel cells lignin. What happened when one water molecule is convert into gaseous form and leave from the stomata? As I told you, that all the cells, all the water molecules are linked together with each other by hydrogen bond. So what happened when one water molecule is leave from the stomata, it pull the another water molecules upward. So in this way, this water molecule come in the place of the first one, and this molecule come in the place of this one. This molecule come in the place of this one. So in this way, water molecules move upward. So because of the loss of water, because of the transpiration, water molecules pulled upward, which is called transpiration pull. And these water molecules move in a continuous stream, and it is known as a transpiration stream. So water continuously moved and removed from the stomata of the leaf by simple process of diffusion in the form of water vapors. And because of this loss of water, water molecules from the xylem, within the xylem of the root, within the xylem of the stem, they're moving upward continuously with a great speed. And this is called transpiration pool. So students, transpiration is the mechanism, is a process in which water loss from the stomata of the leaf by simple diffusion in the form of water vapors. And this loss of water definitely having many benefits, which I will explain you at the end of this video. Now come to the next content of the learning outcome, that how this transpiration takes place within a leaf. So within a leaf, water uptake, as you see here in a diagram, it's a cross section of a leaf where you see that in a lower epidermis, the guard cells are present and stomatal pore is there. Okay, what happened? That from the xylem, water move in the intercellular spaces between the mesophyll cells. So high water vapors concentration here. So in the mesophyll cells, when the water potential, when the water vapors, in other words, is high as compared to the outside, so water vapors, they diffused out from high uh, water vapor concentration to the low water vapor concentration. So in this way, this transpiration occur. So within the leaf, here I explain you through the diagram that how water come and move from the xylem, and from the xylem in the form of vapors, it enter in the mesophyll air spaces. In the air spaces between the mesophyll cells, high concentration of water vapor is there, but outside the leaf, there is a low concentration of water vapors and stomata are open. So water vapors moved out from high water vapor concentration to the low water vapor concentration, and in this way, transpiration occur. Okay, now students, come to the next point, which is the factors. Yes, the factors, which is very important. As you see here, there are some factors which are involved in the transpiration. So, in a transpiration, if you see, first of all, uh, some environmental factors like wind speed. Okay, so if higher the wind speed, then higher will be the loss of water from the stomata of the leaf. So it means that wind is directly proportional to transpiration. As you see that the leaf, when doing transpiration, the water vapors all around the leaf are more. But if wind is blow, when wind is blow away the this humid air, then what happened? Now the air all around the leaf is again dry, and the water vapor concentration in the leaf is high, but outside is low. So again, loss of water started. So more wind blow, more rate of transpiration. So here as well, here in this diagram, I explain and I showed that how this transpiration occur when wind is, the more higher. So wind is one transpiration factor. When more wind, more transpiration rate. When less wind, then definitely less transpiration rate. And the other factor is the uh, humidity. So the humidity is the concentration of water vapors in the air. So if outside the leaf, air having more water vapors, then definitely as compared to inside, no diffusion of water vapors, no movement of water vapors from leaf to the outside in the air. So it means humidity has has inversely proportional to transpiration rate. More humidity, less transpiration, less humidity, more transpiration, and vice versa. Okay, students. Now here you see that temperature effect, definitely. So because of the temperature, you know, these are the diagrams of humidity as well as we can explain it with the temperature. So when temperature increases, then more kinetic energy within the leaf of water vapors molecules gain more kinetic energy. They collide more, they move more, so they escape more from the leaf through the stomata. So high temperature causes more transpiration rate. So temperature is directly proportional to the transpiration rate. If we provide, if in the atmosphere more high temperature, more transpiration definitely takes place, and in low temperature, definitely very less kinetic energy available for the water vapors and less transpiration will occur. Okay, so this is the factor, and now let's see again that. Humidity, as we already discussed this phenomena, and now this phenomena is very important, light intensity. Student, light is a really big factor. Why? Because of the light, stomata open, in the dark stomata close. So because of the light, if more light is available during daytime, more stomata open and more transpiration. So light is also directly proportional to the transpiration rate. Because you need to understand this, that the relevance of the light is that because of the light, more stomata are open. If more stomata are open, more loss of water, more transpiration. Okay, and in the dark, you know, stomata are closed. So very less loss of water, less transpiration. Okay. So light is another factor. And now at the end, students, here I will explain you what are the benefits. What are the benefits of transpiration? Number one, because of the transpiration, always water is available in the leaf for photosynthesis, because plants can't survive because of photosynthesis. If water is there, then definitely photosynthesis will occur. So first benefit of the transpiration is always water move from soil to the leaf and available for the photosynthesis. Second thing, along with the water, minerals are also transported from roots to the upper parts. So these minerals, you know very well, are the coenzymes. They involve in metabolism. So availability of mineral is always there, and metabolism of the plant very smooth, very high, and it perform all the metabolism. Third one, cooling effect. How this cooling effect occur? Dear students, as you know that these leaves exposed to the sunlight. When sunlight fall on the surface of the leaf, the temperature of the leaf increases, and when the water in the leaf, it evaporate, definitely it absorb the heat energy of the leaf, and that heat energy they absorb and convert into vapors and evaporate and diffused out. So, along with they escape from the leaf, they remove the heat of the leaf as well, and making and causing the cooling effect for the leaf. So, in this way, in a very hot summer day, plants are survived, and plants their surfaces are cooled and they do normal photosynthesis. Otherwise, with the high temperature, enzymes are denatured, and denaturation of enzyme cause damage to the all metabolism. So dear students, today we discuss transpiration, how it occur, transpiration pathway within the leaf. We discuss the transpiration factors and the benefits of the transpiration. Notes are available. If you need, you can ask on my WhatsApp number. On my channel, you can write your comments. I will provide you free of cost all these notes for O levels. And inshallah, in the next video, I will explain you different factors and definitely the flame translocation, how it will occur. And in my next video, I will sum up. I will close this chapter completely. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.